What people have got to understand here is when we're going back and building this database, your database is going to be the most core intangible asset of your business. Okay, these are people who have actually spoken with you. So with that comes value. And an example could be a restaurateur or let's say a therapist, and they've got all these people sitting in their messenger list, and you come out and you go, right, well, I can extract that list now, drop it into Facebook ads and send a sponsored message to each of those people with, let's say, an offer or an invitation or something like that. It's better than getting on the phone. It's better than using email because your open rates are so low now, and most of that stuff goes to junk mail anyway. Whereas your engagements are going to be much higher by using a Facebook ad strategy in a messenger.